Okay, all right, guys, welcome back to another update of the current crypto market. So today is 30th of March. Local time is 12:48 p.m. And we just had a big pump, I would say a big pump, a small pump up to 29,150. And then we got rejected here. And then now we are just waiting for a reconfirmation because on the lower time frame, it's retesting the support. Now before I start, I'll really appreciate anyone if you can like and subscribe, activate the bell right now. And because we will be bringing you the best and the fastest update of the crypto market in BTC, in ETH, as well as some of the altcoins that I'm following. So we can see currently for now, we are at 28K600. And then the local support here will be 26635. So this is the part where if there's a bounce, we should be expecting something like so that's where that we are currently looking at. If not, if this is being broken up, maybe we'll do this. Okay, either we do this. If not, then we'll be doing something like this. Go down, break through the local support, and then we go up, and then we go down to the next level, which is 24,000. So this is the 382 Fibonacci level. If you can break through this, then after the next level will be 22.3K. This is a 0.5. And then we should be looking for a bounce right up there. Yeah. Because 0.5 is usually the area that we can expect a bounce. However, we are still looking at the current bounce from here, because when we go down to the smaller time frame, you can see here. So there's a local support over here. This line. So we are currently breaking through it. So we break through it, and then we go back down again, and then we go up again. So instead of here, we have this local support here, and this local resistance over here. So we are actually looking at something like this. So once it breaks down, but it got rejected, you see there's a bounce from the 50 EMA, exponential moving average, and then we are going up. Now, this is the better scenario that if we get bullish, if things doesn't work out. As it goes up here, rejected from resistance, and then we may be going down. So the next level that we are usually looking at to get the next buy order will be, now we go back to the bigger time frame. So the next buy order, if you are doing spot, this is where that we can look at. So the next level of support will be 26,000 and 24,000. And that's where that we can get a rebound from here. So I'm a little bit towards the bullish bias over here is because on the weekly time frame, we have broken up all our EMA. Can you see it? We get a cleaner chart over here. On the weekly time frame, boom, 200 EMA, 50 EMA, and 100 EMA. Now we are opening up again on the top part of the line. So this is a bullish sign for me. And then we look at the total market cap here. So on the local resistance, we have the resistance as 1.181. And then if we can break through it, and that's where that we can see more of a pump here. However, it looks like probably are meeting a little bit resistance over here, and maybe they'll be going down. I mean, going down a little. However, we have very good resistance at our 200 moving average here. So maybe we get a bounce here and then we go up. So this is the part where we are looking at for BTC. Now over to Ethereum. So we're going to the daily time frame. You can see that the local support is over here, 1690. Now 1690 is the support here. So as long as price doesn't break through the test and going down, that will be a bearish scenario. So this is the part. No, so if it really happens, what is the time frame that we should be looking at? Or rather, what's the price that we should be looking at? The next level will be 1560. It's a good buy order. Then the next one will be 1467. This will be the best buy order over here. So you can get it. I mean, you can buy more Ethereum over here, and then you look for a nice bounce. So let's say if Ethereum managed to break through the current resistance, which it looks a little bit unlikely for now, the next resistance will be 1886. They break through it, we test 2029. So this is the part that we are actually looking at for now for Ethereum. And for XRP. Now XRP, if I miss the pump, it's okay because we are going slowly towards the next buy level, which is 0.49 or 0.5. Now, if you go past it, 0.468, that will be another good buy. So always remember, DCA, never ever buy at the dip because we never know when it's the dip. So if you DCA down, then after that, once it bounce back, then that's where that you can see have a good buy. I mean, you can have a good profit. Now, if you go to Bitcoin dominance, we are probably reaching the next resistance over here, which is 48.4%, because this is the part where if you get rejected over here, Bitcoin BTC dominance starts to go down, and that's where your Ethereum can start to fly. So this is very important. So one of the Ethereum that I'm one of the altcoins that I'm always looking at is Cardano. So Cardano is having a local resistance here, 0.42, and then local support is over here, 0.3715. Now, as long as today, daily close is always above the support, we can always expect something like this when you go up the channel as well. So, you can go something like this and go down and then go up. So this is the part where we are actually looking at. So, I'm only doing spot trading over here. I'm not doing any futures yet. Because I think that spots you can put it and then after you can go back to sleep. If futures a little bit stressful. Now the thing is because of the pump that happened just now, we have actually reached all the liquidation over here, 29,000. We actually moved up 29-ish. We move up to 29.26, which is around here. So we have cleared all the liquidation. And once we clear all the liquidation, most likely than not, there may be a move down before test the local support before we move up. So this is what the market always do. We have to be careful. We have to be always ready for it. And then one of the things that I want to share is this one. So of course, if you can, follow and like, subscribe Digital Vault. So the next one. So for the first market cycle, after the high disillusion, this is the bear market, and then we start to accumulate again. Second boom, second market structure. Then after it start to accumulate again. Now the third month, which is the one that we are encountering right now, we are supposedly over here. So can we make a move up just like the previous two cycles? Remains to be seen. But I think there will be a retracement as always, because you can see this. There's a divergence when price is making a high, RSI is making a lower high. And this is probably why I'm thinking there could still be a retracement. Could still be a retracement down to 26K or even 25, 24K. So with that, I hope that you are prepared for all directions. Never ever go all in one single direction. And then for that, I'll end my analysis for today. Stay tuned. If you like my content, please like, subscribe, and activate the bell right now. Thank you.